a building located in the premises of the Ooni of Ife Palace, Oba Adeyeye Ogunwusi, have been razed down by fire, destroying all valuables. According to the source around the area, in Ile-Ife of Osun State, where the palace is located, the incident happened around 11:30 p.m. on Friday. A statement by the palace spokesman, Mr. Moses Olafere, obtained in Osogbo on Saturday, said there was no casualty or loss of cultural items in the fire, and no lives were lost in the incident, but blamed the incident on power outrage.
This is ODUA TV Watch. Don't forget to subscribe, comment your opinion, like, comment and share so that other people can get access to what you enjoy on our channel. Thank you. We love you.